Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna fix Jim my Father's Day supper. Nothing fancy. So, stuffed mushrooms, and he wanted stuffed peppers, and we got rotisserie chicken from Walmart. Not too fancy, but I thought I'd bring you along. Here we go. Already sprayed?
Yeah.
You just set it for 350.
Are you gonna?
Yeah, you're supposed to cook them first. This is the first one I've ever seen like that.
How long do you cook?
And 1.5 cups of water to dish. Cover 25 minutes. Guess it cooks them better, huh?
How are you gonna cover them? I should have done this in a bowl.
What?
So I should have done this in a bowl. I'm gonna make a mess. Because it was too full.
I sprayed the foil. I had to put foil on mine. Turned them upside down, cleaned them, whatever, and 1.5 cups of water. We're gonna bake them in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. And while it's cooking, then I'll do the rest. I cut up all this stuff to cook in it. I'm not wasting anything. We like our onions, so I'm probably gonna have to get more than that. Guess I didn't hit the button. I just ground up in Mom's little blender. I love this little thing. Little chopper. I use it a lot for my garlic. Just so much easier to put it in there. Chop it up. It calls for 2 teaspoons garlic, and we like our garlic just like we like our onions, so I got a little bit more than that. Okay, calls for alright, my buds went off. Around 150-degree oven for 25 minutes. Just gonna guess at this, since I like my onions. Onions you both do. It's probably close to a full onion for me. Like I said, we like our onions, so that's what I'll put in. Y'all do what you think. Calls for olive oil. I'm going to put the onions and peppers in the pan. Just washed off the mushrooms and let them sit. I think I've showed you guys the recipe before. I'll make sure before I finish up, so I'll let you know. Just pop the stems out.
Want me to help you? You want to start cooking the meat? Or?
Sure. Jim couldn't help it. He had to help.
I had to help.
Yep. Okay, in this pan I've just got chopped up onions and then chopped up mushrooms. Run away. Run away. And some butter into the onions and mushrooms. We'll cook them down. He just added about a pound of deer meat to the onions and the cut up peppers that I put in there with the olive oil. We're going to cook them down.
Pepper, garlic powder, and oregano.
Yep. That was the peppers that's been in there for 25 minutes. One whole 8-ounce cream cheese. Garlic powder. This was my no measurement recipe because I just kind of add to it. I did find the video. and I'll attach a link. Cheddar cheese. Couple of handfuls. Oh, there's garlic.
Is that supposed to be in here?
Mm-hmm.
Added garlic powder.
Okay, well. You come in and started helping, so
Well, I saw it sitting over there.
that caused a problem and you didn't ask. You
I
just
thought it was
it.
for the onions and
Nope.
for the mushrooms. We like garlic anyway.
It also calls for, I think, Worcestershire. Let me look. So it calls for when we get ready to do it, and we mix it together. 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, but you cut it in half, so that'd be
3/4 of a cup.
okay. So 3/4 of a cup goes in the mixture before it goes in there. Sorry, guys.
Isn't that supposed to
Can't do it
continue
the
to
other
cook?
way. I added bacon bits to the mushrooms and the onions. Put them all down. Goes into the cream cheese and cheese.
We're gonna need more. Save us some for our salad.
He's getting ahead of me. So he added
About 1.5 cups of rice, maybe a little more,
yep,
and then 3/4 of a cup of the mozzarella cheese.
yep. Mixed it up.
And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Italian seasoning.
Yep. We added pepper. Also,
I added pepper when I was cooking the meat. So.
and then tomato sauce over here.
1 can?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Yep. Because it called for 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Okay, he's just going to stir that up. Turned on the heat just a little bit more and warm it up. And then we're going to put it in the peppers and top it with the rest of the cheese. Then you just put cheese on the top.
It doesn't say. It just says 3/4 for the first one. So.
I'm assuming.
Yep.
And then I melted, I don't know, probably 3 tablespoons of butter. You just kind of lightly pour them.
1/2 pound.
No, I didn't. Pour them over the mushroom. I think it more or less it helps cook the mushrooms. I got a pile here and you start washing. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator because they only need like 2 to 5 minutes to melt the cheese in the oven, and I need to do the peppers. Got recipes laying everywhere.
Very hot.
Very hot. Plastic cup.
For the cheese.
Hmm?
For the cheese, you needed 3/4 of a cup.
we just gotta fill the peppers. Smells good already. We'll just fill them to the top. Let's see how much we got left. That was a little whopper jawed here. This could be a whole meal, but we usually cut them in half. Make them last longer. This is Sunday, so it's our sleeving night. Okay, now I gotta top it off with cheese. You already sprayed it?
Yes.
So we went ahead and sprayed some on-stick spray on the top so it wouldn't stick to our cheese. Okay, covered in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and then we'll take the cover off for 10. Okay. Oh, it's still stuck.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay.
You'll put these back in and
We'll set it for 5 minutes and then we'll put the other ones in. Because I gotta go back in for 10 more minutes. The mushrooms only take 2 to 5. Could turn it. Yep. So we'll put it in for 5 minutes. Alrighty. Here's the finished product. Like I said, we'll probably split one because as big as they are. And then this is the stuffed mushrooms. Y'all let me know what you think if you try it. Be sure and come back and see me. Bye-bye. Well, there's my final plate. Rotisserie chicken. Usually I put ranch on it, but I ran out. I'll have to make some more tomorrow. And stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed peppers. And salad. Looks yummy.